Onions are cooked, but I don't know. I reckon that's bullshit, that recipe on the internet. I don't think it worked out that well. So I'm gonna try and cook an onion in the air fryer with a bit of flour, breadcrumbs. I saw this video and I thought I'd give it a try, see if it's gonna work, see if it's all bullshit. So let's get into it, cut it up, put all this other stuff on it, see how she goes. So they use, in the video, they use a lid of something, and it's just so that you don't cut it all the way through. I think that's enough. Maybe one more here. So now we've got to put it in water, ice cold water, for 2 hours. There we go. Some water, ice in there. So you got to sit it in there for 2 hours. I'll put it in the fridge. So apparently it makes it more softer, and so it's not real hard when you're eating it. Put it in the fridge. Got it out of the fridge. So now it's about a cup of flour. Need a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Bit of salt. Pepper. Bit of ground pepper. And I'm going to put a bit of garlic powder in. That recipe on the internet doesn't have that, but I'm going to put it in. Bit of garlic powder. Mix her up. Squeeze all the excess water out of it. Just sit it there. Crack one egg. Bit of milk. Nothing's measured on this channel. It's because we're just winging it. We'll make it up. Bit of milk. Give it a whisk. Right, so now, got to coat all this with flour. Get it in all everywhere. We coat it with the egg and milk wash. Now, got to coat it in the breadcrumbs. Alright, so shake the the excess out. That's what it is there. And got to put a bit of spray in the bottom. Put it in. Spray the top. I just find this easier. Bit of olive oil spray. So 190 for 20 minutes. Alright, let's check it out. See if it's done. Ooh, I don't know. Well, it looks nice. We'll give it a try. Put a bit of garlic aioli on it. But I don't know. I reckon that's bullshit, that recipe on the internet. I don't think it worked out that well. Look, it's not that bad. I think I probably could have shaken the breadcrumbs out a bit more and put a bit more oil on it. Then it would have been really nice. Would have been cooked nicer. It's nice with the garlic aioli on it. And yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think you can do any better? Let me know how yours go and give it a try. All right, thanks. See you on the next one.